Welcome to the Donemax channel. Today, let's talk about OpenClaw. Imagine a world where you never have to clear your inbox again. Imagine a digital assistant so powerful it doesn't just wait for your commands, it anticipates them. It cleans your inbox, books your flights, manages your calendar, and organizes your files while you sleep. This isn't science fiction. This is OpenClaw. Over the past few months, a piece of software has taken the tech world by storm. Formerly known as Claudebot, OpenClaw is an open-source AI agent that runs locally on your machine. Its core feature? Active automation. Unlike chat, which just talks, OpenClaw acts. It has skills, plugins that let it access your shell, your files, your email, and your messages. You can follow the installation guide on the official OpenClaw website to easily deploy it on your computer. However, I have to take into account some issues recently reported by global users and give you some reminders. 1. Summary. Director of Security at Meta. Over 200 important work emails were cleared in one click by OpenClaw due to AI ignoring the do not execute without confirmation instruction. 2. Domestic Media user. Graduation thesis folder mistakenly marked as junk backup and automatically deleted by OpenClaw. 3. Developer project information. 100G plus local code was cleared in bulk due to misunderstandings of instructions. If the data loss has occurred, number the following for useful advices. Now I will demonstrate how to retrieve files deleted by OpenClaw by using Donemax Data Recovery software. Select the drive you lost the files and click Scan. Wait for a while. It will deeply scan the hard drive. You can see the various types of files you have lost from the list on the left. Select them and click Recover button to get them back. Okay, all the files back. But I need to remind you how to avoid similar problems in the future. Keeping the above 4 points in mind can help you avoid being harmed by this powerful lobster. That's all for this video. See you next time.